Have they given any such sign?
Well, privately, they say that they understand the problems of the tribals. They understand the problems in the ADC. They realize that there has been a lot of problems, mistakes have been made in the past. They privately admit, but publicly they have to make a statement.
Recently, you met the Chief Minister, though it was a courtesy meeting, but with the ADC issues also raised.
Yes, we've asked it. The Honorable Chief Minister, my Deputy CM was there that day. We asked him to come and take a review of the autonomous council. And we put forward our case. We are also administration, and a new Chief Minister has been elected, and we have to give him due respect. We have done that as per the protocol.
And how do you see the future? My last question is, how do you see the future of the regional party when the present party, tribal welfare minister said there won't be any regional party anymore?
Well, other they give us a constitutional solution, then there is no need to do regional politics. But till the time they don't give us constitutional solution, till the time the people do not feel that they have not been given something constitutionally, then regional parties will always exist. Because why are people fighting? Why are they regionalism? Because people feel that the centre has not given enough. We are asking something from the centre. We are not asking anything from Mr. Chongjak. We are asking something from the leaders in Delhi, the Prime Minister, the Home Minister, the President of India. We are not asking anything from Mr. Chongjak.
But
So he is no one to say that इसका future है कि उसका future है. Future रामपद जमातिया decide नहीं करता है. Future त्रिपुरा का जनता decide करता है.
when talks are going on, particularly in Northeast, first talks happen. Even in NSC and the talks went for several decades. Do you think this really solves the problem, or it keeps?
Well, it is better to talk than to pick up the gun. It is better to engage in dialogue than to resort to violence. So I believe in democratic values. I believe in engagement of talks, and that's the way it should be. We've had talks. It's not the first time. We had a TNV in 1988. There was a TNV.